Welcome to my channel. This is ayomidegraphix. In this video, you'll be learning how to edit splash effects using Pixellab. Without further ado, let's begin. When you open your Pixellab app, you click on shapes. When you click on shapes, click on the default shape. There is a square to get more shapes. Then click on the triangle. That's it. There you mark it. So you turn it around. After you've done that, the next thing now is to click on import. Then click on import to bring in our splash effect. As you can see, that's it. Now you bring it at the top. As you can see, you place it there. Now you click on the layer 2, then copy and paste that, the splash effect. Now bring it to the right side, turn it around. After that, you click on the layer 2 again and copy that again and paste it again. Then you paste that on the left side, turn it around, place it very well, as you can see. After you are done, then you copy and paste it again. This time around, bring it down in the middle, place it very well. That's good. Now let us merge it together. You click on layer 2, then click on the merge icon below there. Then after I've marked everything, then click on the merge icon there. Let me show you. This is the merge icon. As you can see, that's it. You click on merge icon, you click on it. As you can see, are you sure? Then click on OK. Now it has become one. The next stage is to give it color. Scroll to color. As you can see, click on color enabled. Then scroll down, then give it the color. Give that color, you mark it. Wow, that's the color, as you can see. Now the next stage is to bring in our image. Now to bring in our image, you click on the import icon there. As you can see, import. Now we bring in our image. So this is the image we are using for this video. So yeah, this is very well, that's good. Now bring in. So now let us edit it. We bring it very well in the middle, so as to place it very well with the splash effect. Now the two of them has been done. Place very well. Click on layer 2, then lock both of them. Now when you've locked it, now we have to create our fading transparent gradient effect. You click on shapes. Now you scroll down, click on gradient, then you click on the plus icon there. Now when you've clicked the plus icon there, as you can see, you click on the color fill and click on color fill. Then move it to the right, then to the left. That's for the white. That's for the white area. Then you click on the other side too as well. Then click on the color fill. Now this time around, we are clicking on the color picker to pick the color. That's it, the color picker. I click on it, then you look for the image. As the image is there. When you click on image, you click on the dress color. That's it. Then you click on it, you click on OK. Then you click on OK. Wow, we've gotten our transparent gradient effect. So for more in-depth tutorial on that, you can check my video on the screen right now on how to create fading transparent gradient effect, or check the description below for more videos on that. So let's continue. You place it very well, you lock it, then you copy and paste that. When you copy and paste it, you put it again. So you place it very well to create that effect. Now the next stage is to type the name. You click on the A icon, as you can see there. When you click on the A icon, click on plus, then click on the pencil icon, then type the name Susie. So that's the name for the video tutorial we are using now. So use Susie. You want to type the name now, give it let us give it some fonts. Let me give it some fonts. So click on my fonts. You have to download fonts. You can also learn how to download fonts as well. You can check the description below for videos on how to download fonts. Let's continue. Now you give it size, increase it, then place it very well. The next stage now is to create our BG cut background. Click on shape 2, then click on shapes. That's it. Now bring it down to fit in the entire space there. Then give it color, any color you like. I'll be choosing this for this video. Then mark it. Then click on layer 2 to bring it to the back. Then click on take to the back. As you can see, it's at the back. So lovely. Wow, so as you can see, we're almost there. So make sure you check everything, then make sure everything is logged. Now after you log, now the next thing is to click on shapes, then click on import to import the other splash effect. So this is the last one. Import that, you place it very well, then give it color, then set it very well. Now to create the good effect, you have to click on the layer tool, then drag it down to the back of the image, as you can see. Now you copy that again, click on that, then copy and paste. As you can see, lovely, set it very well. After you're done, you drag it to the back of the image as well. Whoa, so that's it. Lock it as well, lock the tool, splash effect. So that's so beautiful. Then to save it, you click on the icon that looks like a diskette at the top, that's the save icon. Then click on save as image, change it to ultra, then click on save. Saving. Whoa, that's how to edit a splash effect using Pixellab. If you are watching this video right now and you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly click on the subscribe button on your screen right now for you to get notifications whenever I upload a video tutorial. Don't forget to hit the like button, and also don't forget to drop your comment concerning this video tutorial. Also share this video tutorial across your socials to your friends and your loved ones. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.